opening them yet, because he's going to want to play.
I'm just going to put them
here. Look. Blake. Hey. What is that?
Where's the coupon?
Where'd you get him? Is this what he plays with? We got to buy him a case now. He loves them. Bubby. Open this one. Give this to Aunt Katie. Open that one. Whoa, dude. What is that? Is that a monster truck?
Is it just me, or did that say $2 coupon inside and now it doesn't?
Here, Blake. Bubby. Here. Blake. Blake, look. Look. Blake, open up your you haven't finished opening all the stuff he got you.
I'll just get you half the amount next year.
Cool, man. You got spoiled. Here. What color is that? Daddy, what color that car is? Oh my!
Yeah, that's the Green Lantern's car. Hale Jordan's.
Here.
Next.
Look. A new one! Oh god, you got his mom really for Christmas? It's supposed to be in a stocking.
You're supposed to put him a stocking first.
You don't know the difference. Okay, 2 of these. We're getting there, almost done. You ready? Come on and tape these good. What was I thinking, Blake?
I don't know what you're thinking.
Here. Here, buddy. Blake, look. Blake, look. Look. Blake. Look. Look, what is this? Blake, look.
Is that another sticker book? I think they have stickers in it, probably.
Who's that? Is that Buzz?
Want a tattoo?
Look at Bubby. Come here, we're not done. That's open. Who's on that? Is that Cars? Oh my. We should have got tape in one of the Cars books. I didn't even think of that.
So I said. You did think of it. I told you to.
We should have
You
picked
said
up
no.
2.
Okay, does he have that couple more?
2 more. Here, Blake, look. Big one. Big. Oh my god.
It's a Cars theme.
Can you
Christmas.
tell? It's not a Cars Christmas or anything, right?
Guess I should have told you about the train, huh?
Ready? Last one. Oh yeah, I forgot you have an outfit on. Here, Blake, look. Blake, Brandon. Go to mommy. Look it. Open this first, and then you can play. Come here. Blake, look.
No, you just
Open
have to
this.
take a picture.
Open it. Open. He looks at it. Blake. This is Mama's favorite.
Bubby, who's this? Hey, who's this?
That's another one.
Hey,
Blake Storm,
who's
here,
this?
open these so we can get going.
Blake, look at this.
See, that's why I said don't do the truck yet.
Blake, I didn't open up the one with the
Look.
music. Hey.
Who is it?
Go open up those first.
Who is it? Ooh, you opened it.
Alright, yeah. We're done.
Oh, open up the blocks.
Oh,
Elmo.
Brandon, you gotta show him his box. Blake, look
Hey, look
at
at this.
wooden blocks.
Bubby, look.
Sweet.
For the train.
Look it. I know there's too much in this.
Overstimulation.
There's a Christmas outfit.
Yeah.
You paid for the name right there, Brett.
On what?
Cars.
What cars?
Would you give the other 3-pack to David?
All done.
Probably didn't wrap them. You find them a year later.
No, we wrapped him. That means he got the $2 coupon and I'm stuck paying the bill.
Alright. Brandon, you gotta open this.
I'm keeping that out.
That's
Brandon,
it.
pick up that rocket paper and look at.
What's that beep noise?